These are the new Google Pixel Buds Pro 2, and I am going to be unboxing them. I've been waiting a long time for these headphones, and this is completely unsponsored. And I'm an amateur YouTuber, as you can tell by how I'm opening the box. But let's get into it. I'm also using 8K video for the first time. So if you are watching this video and you notice a difference in quality, please let me know. Very excited to try these new Pixel Buds. So they come in a small package, and it looks like it has this little tab that you pull right here. They just slide out. And these are the newest addition to the Pixel family from Google. I got these specifically in hazel. Looks like it's all recycled packaging. And there's the buds. The case isn't completely glossy. It doesn't feel super good. It does feel a little drying in my hands, but maybe that's just because they're brand new. But it's definitely, it feels like you could hold on to it and it's not gonna like slip out of your hands. So yeah, I like it. I do prefer AirPods for the feel so far, but we'll see if I get used to this. There we go. There's the buds. And they're already wanting to connect with my phone, which is great. We'll connect them. Let's see, I hope that didn't mess it up. They look nice and small. I was expecting them to be a larger size. The case does have USB-C on the bottom and a speaker port. Oh, and there's a little pairing button back down there as well. Nice satisfying click. I can find myself doing that all day, I think. Let's see. Okay. And then let's look at the buds on their own. They're nice and compact. And let's see how they pop into the case. Oh yeah, that's really satisfying too. So I will do a more detailed review of these as well and compare them to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3. Let's just look at what else is in here. Different sized ear tips. Very nice. It goes from extra small, large, and it looks like the mediums are included. And these ear tips just look like regular silicone ear tips. And I think that's all. I think that's it that's in the case. Yep. A little instruction manual. Shows how to put them in. Yes. Thank you for watching the unboxing. Very excited to try these out. Please let me know if you have any questions about these headphones in the comments. I'm a bit of a headphone aficionado, so I've tried quite a few different in-ear headphones, and I'd be happy to give you some recommendations or let you know what I like and don't like about headphones. Appreciate you watching.